In this lesson we're going to consider the perpendicular relationship between two lines, and perpendicular means that the angle of rotation between the two lines is 90 degrees. If we take the gradients of A1 and A2, multiply them together and get a result of -1, we can state that the lines A1 and A2 are perpendicular to each other. Step 1 for this question is to find the gradient of AB using the formula that we've used before, m equals y2 minus y1, etc. A tip to help find the perpendicular gradient of one line to another is, if you have the gradient of one line, simply invert it and make it negative. So if we have a gradient of 2 for one line and we wish to find the perpendicular gradient, invert it, so that's 1 over 2, and then make it negative. So the perpendicular gradient to a line with gradient 2 would be negative a half. Note that the final answer has been given in general form, which was covered in our lesson 1 of this series. One other point of note is when using the tip I gave you about finding the perpendicular gradient, always back this up by using the formula. That brings us to the end of our perpendicular lines lesson, lesson 1.3b. Next lesson we'll be looking at midpoints of line segments and perpendicular bisector. Important topics getting ready for finding lines relating to triangles.